Can we imagine how the world would have been without nurses? If I look at the work that we do, I can liken it to that of mothers. As mothers, when their children are sick, they take good care of them, whether the sickness can affect them or not. And the same thing applies to us as nurses. Even before we test to see whether they are having any communicable disease, we have already held them, we have already cared for them. I would say a equal to nurses for the sacrificial job that we are doing.
Nurses are a special group of people. Imagine being the first to bring life into this world, and we are the last to care for them as they exit the world. Indeed, we are the heartbeat of the healthcare system.
Imagining a world without nurses, lives could have been shorter, complications from service could have been higher, and who would have cared for our dear ones? Nurses are inadequate.
We support nursing now.